Let's talk dining tables. Dining tables conjure up a lot of memories for people. Holiday dinners, family, great meals, or maybe homework as a kid, or important family talks. There's nothing that brings a family together quite like a great dining table. I've mentioned this story before, but one of my all-time favorite thank you notes that we've ever received was from a family who shared that their dining table was made by Lorts years and years ago. They wrote in to thank us for all the fond memories that their family had made over the years on that one special and very important table. And now that the family had grown up, they were trying to decide who the table would be passed down to. This made my heart swell and made me very proud of our furniture. Like that family, their Lorts table had stood the test of time. Every family is unique. Not everyone has the same needs or the same style. Thankfully for you, Lorts can meet you where you are. If you need just a small kitchen table, we can do that. If you need a dining table with a few leaves to accommodate large family meals, we can do that too. With any of our tables, we offer timeless design, sizing and style flexibility, and best of all, the majority of our tables have an 8 to 10 week lead time, which is unheard of currently in our industry. Let's take a look at a table that's been our #1 seller for many, many years, our 7160 and 7162B. The base is a double pedestal and the top is 96 inches long, 44 inches wide, and has a leaf that adds 24 inches for those large gatherings. Although it's a pretty traditional looking table, given the right finish or paint combination, in addition to choosing the distress level of your choice, it could honestly take any direction you choose. One of our most stylized dining tables is one that I've spoken about before, our Urn Table. The base is open, airy, and boasts the right detail to be a showstopper. The 8515 and 8616 Urn Table bases can accommodate tabletops anywhere from 42 to 72 inch round. Very sleek and very stylish. We love it. And for something different, we offer our 1173 squared around tabletop, which can be paired with several different table bases. A squared around is not only useful, it can change how you use the entire space and change the aesthetics as well. A squared around is just that. Tucking in the edges of our 60-inch round table makes a 42-inch square table. So useful. I know sometimes it's hard to visualize what your space will look like with our furniture. If you haven't already, look us up on Instagram at Lorts Furniture. Almost daily we post stories with stunning lifestyle photos from partners who have specified Lorts Furniture in their amazing designs. Thank you for allowing me to introduce you to a few of our dining tables. Call us to get yours started today. See you next time.